When you're overwhelmed with bills and simply can't afford to pay them, there is a way to wipe the slate clean and start over.
I've never been in this situation before in my life. I've been a responsible person. I've raised my children. I've paid my bills.
Most people only look for a fresh start after they've had a real problem in their lives.
And he wasn't working. I'm the only one working. He's awaiting a liver for a transplant.
Actually, I lost my job and then had to seek another position that didn't pay as much.
That problem is often loss of a job, a major medical problem and the inability to pay the medical bills, or a death in the family, something that is really a financial hardship that they just didn't anticipate, or if they did, there was nothing they could do to stop it.
It got to the point where his medications were costing as much as our mortgage payment. For about 2 years, we kind of juggled the money around, and it got to the point where we couldn't juggle it anymore.
I was really struggling to pay my credit cards. It really amazed me how the minimum payment just it skyrocketed. I couldn't catch up with it. When I thought I'm going to give $50 here, it wasn't even going to cover the minimum payment. It was a terrible situation to be in, and I wanted that to stop. I tried to talk to them, but nobody would help me.
Chapter 7 is generally referred to as a fresh start. By that, we mean that you can discharge your credit card bills that you can't pay, your medical bills that you can't pay, payday loans. Your debts may be such that you really need to look at filing either a Chapter 7 to get a fresh start or a reorganization to catch up on payments that you're behind on, like on your car or your house.